Hey, what's up guys? So we're going to be doing a quick review on this kitchen timer. So obviously you can use this for whatever you want, whether it's for studying, school, kitchen, or whatever you might need. Now my favorite thing about this one is that it doesn't require any batteries, and that's actually my main issue with most timers. With this one, all you're going to have to do is just wind it up and you're done. In the back it is magnetic, so you can put this on your fridge or anywhere you might need. You do have this little message which just notifies you to follow the instructions or it won't work. And essentially what they mean is that you need to wind it up. A lot of timers like this you don't need to wind up, but this one you do. So essentially the way you do it, you get this red needle, you turn it all the way till 60, and then you're able to adjust it backwards to your desired time. So pretty much you grab that needle, you move it all the way till 60. Now that it's wound up, you can go all the way back. Let's say I wanted 5 minutes, you just leave it at 5 minutes and then you're set. And so guys, overall this timer has been an incredible investment and I definitely recommend it.